Welcome back to the channel, everyone. So today we have with us BMW Z3. Today we're going to be doing a VISCOUS fan clutch. So on these early BMs, before they changed it over to electric fan, it has the VISCOUS fan, and as these were getting older, some of them are known to break apart and come through your bonnet. So before this happens, we're going to change this out. We know on this car, this is the original one. Car, I believe, is around 65,000 mark on miles. So before we get any further, we're going to change it out. So I'll show you how to get this one off, and then yeah, let's get this one swapped out. This won't be a long video, just a quick little video on how it's done. So get set up and then we'll take it from there. Let's go. Okay, so to get this off, we need to use a special tool. I've got it right here. This is the BMW VISCOUS fan clutch tool. So I can't show me undoing it because I haven't got extra pair of hands, but this one basically goes on the nuts on the water pump pulley like that, and we use this one here, which will go on the nut that's there, and it will undo it. Now this has a left hand thread, which means you have to turn it to the right, which we would normally be doing to tighten something up, to undo it, and turn it left, tightens it. So hope that helps. So now this one, I've got it undone off camera. As you can see, it's now loose, so I could put the tool aside and just turn the fan, and if you look, it's starting to undo. So once this is done, we can take the VISCOUS fan off, and in the middle there, where my finger's touching, is the fan clutch assembly. So that's what we're trying to get to. So let me get that off and then show you the next part, and we'll get it swapped out and back on the car. Let's go. Okay, so I've got the fan out. We have to also remove the fan cowling, which is just basically, you got these two clips here, you press in the middle and then you can slowly gently pry them out, and they go at the top over here and over there. So now on this fan clutch, turn it over, you see we got 1, 2, 3 bolt, Allen head bolt. So once that's off, we can take the central bit off, change it over with the new one we have, and then we are good to go. So I'm going to give this a clean as well. You can see all the dirt on the inside, so we'll give this a good clean, and then let's get this swapped out. Let's go. Okay, so got the old fan clutch off, got the new one here ready to go in. The fan itself, I've got it all cleaned up as well. Now this is mounted onto the fan, 3 bolts. They are 5mm Allen head. So if you've got a 5mm Allen key or one of those bit sets, that should get the job done. Now when you're fitting the new one back, it's important that you fit it back the same way it came off. So before you take the old one out, take a picture so you can use it as a reference, because you don't want to put this the wrong way. So I'm going to get this fitted now, and then I'll show you the next bit. Let's go. Okay, so that's the new fan clutch on, and got to get these 3 now tightened up. I'm going to mark them, and then this is ready to get back into the car. So let's get this back on. Let's go. Fan and fan cowling both back in. I've only just threaded it just a little bit. The reason I've done this is so I can show you on the video how it tightens and loosens. So the fan cowling, as I said before, goes on here and over there. Sometimes you get where this bit's broken. If it hasn't, if your car has got the complete bit and it's not broken, make sure you clip it on here, otherwise you will leave a gap. You don't want that, because then this will sit too close to the fan and there's a chance that it's going to catch it. Also, make sure at the bottom where the shroud is supposed to mount, where it just basically presses into it, make sure that it's all in the right place. So we go back here, if I turn this, I'll zoom in a little bit, you can see how when I'm turning it, it's tightening up, and if I go the other way, it's loosening off. So this is what I meant earlier when I said it's a left-hand thread, and this tool makes life a lot simple because you can just get it on there and just tighten it up. You can equally just keep turning this, and if you look, it will just keep tightening up. So if you look now, there you go, so it's stopped now. So now what we're going to do is get both of these tools in there, and then we're going to tighten it up, and then that completes this repair. So I can't show me tightening up because I need to use both of my hands, but I'll get that quickly tightened up, and then let's get this car running. So I'll show you the next bit in a second. Let's go. That's it, it's all tight. So something I always do before you start the car, just spin the fan by hand, make sure it's not hitting anything, because it's better to find out that way rather than starting it and having something break. So now, as you can see, that's all okay, spins fine, it's not catching anywhere, everything's secure. Now we can get this running, and then we are done. So let's get this going. Okay, car's running. You can see the fan clutch doing its job. So yeah, that completes this video. Going to give this a drive now, make sure everything's okay, make sure it gets up to temperature and stays there. And I've got to take this car for its MOT as well now and give it a service, which I'll be doing off camera. So we hope this video helps anyone who's got a BMW Z3 and has the VISCOUS fan. It's good to change them, because when they do fail, they can cause damage. So we hope this video helps. I want to thank everyone for subscribing to our channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe, as it will help us grow, and we'll see you on the next one.